By the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, we proceed to Bhagavad Saptaha from Delhi to Kutch. That is the place in Gujarat. What is the place name? Bhuj. Very nice, beautiful place. And we start night time about 8:30 p.m. Then we arrived in Ahmedabad about afternoon 1 p.m. Then we arrived in Ahmedabad and we got the bus 3:30 and proceed to Kutch and Bhuj. And we are 22 devotees and different countries, England, America, Australia, and also Brazil and others, Russia, and devotees. We are going and doing very Nam Sankirtan in our bus party. Then we are going to this way. Because Srimad Bhagavatam is the prominent Grantha, Nigama Kalpatara Galita Phalang Sukha Mukhadamita Drava Samjutang Pipata Bhagavatara Samalayang Muhuro Rusika Bhubi Bhavuka. In this Bhagavat, this Srimad Bhagavat is called the essence of all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, and Srimad Bhagavat is also the ripened and juicy fruits of Vedas, and it is completely ripened without seed and skin, and it has coming from Golok Vrindavan, and which in our Guru Parampara. When Krishna hite Chaturmukh, Havan Krishna Sevanung, Brahma hite Naradira Moti. In this Guru Parampara, this Srimad Bhagavat manifested. So, and for this regard, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained, Aradho Bhagavan Brajisa Tanaya Tadhamam Vrindavanam Ramma Kachi Dupasana Brajabudhu Vargina Jakalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Amarang Prema Pumartha Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Motamidang Tatraduro Naparha. This is the opinion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the supreme personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, who appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Krishna took Srimati Radhika's complexion and his mood, and he preached the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam, the highest mood of the gopis, because Krishna is called Rasik Sekhar Krishna. Rasik Sekhar Krishna Parama Korun Prem Ras Nirjas Korite Asadan Rag Marge Bhakti Lok Korite Pracharan. Krishna, he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the mood of Srimati Radhika. Because Srimad Bhagavatam gives the evidence. The Parakya Bhav, the paramount mood of the gopis, this is the highest mood. And in this mood only manifested in Golok Vrindavan. So Krishna, he preached in this his highest mood, Parakya Bhav, paramount mood, which is not manifested in Golok, not manifested in Vaikuntha, Ajodha and Dwaraka, only manifested in Golok Vrindavan. And so for this regard, this highest mode, Uddhav, who is the best friends of Krishna, he came in Vrindavan again and again. He paid his obeisances unto the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, how to receive the sprinkle mood of Srimati Radhika and Braj Gopis. And he also wanted to become the one blade of grass in Vrindavan, because this mood is very rare. Jo Brahma Sukha Narada Bhisma Lakshya Ralakita Nasasa Purusha Satasa Saddo Vasugana Churna Ananda Sakyang Radhika Charana Anus Marami. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in his highest book Radhara Sadhanidhi also explained the sprinkle food dust of Srimati Radhika, that means mood of Srimati Radhika is very rare. Even the Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they are not to attain this highest mood. So, because Srimati Radhika, she is the topmost of the prem of Krishna. That is called the Madanakha Mahabhav. That Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Madanakha Mahabhav. And this Madanakha Mahabhav only manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So even Krishna is hankering how to receive the sprinkle mood of Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Krishna has agreed how to test this mood, and he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. And Krishna tested this mood something, and he distributed on the sprinkle of Srimati Radhika, that is Manjari Bhav or Bhavullas Rati. Hare Krishna.